Hi friends, welcome to my channel ReadyK. Today we have a very good opportunity, that is a walk-in drive. That is 15th March. That is means it is today only from 9:30 a.m. to 12:30. And the company is Amazon. It is hiring for the role ML Data Associate, and they mainly mention that women candidates are preferred. And the contact is Fina. And the location Amazon Development Center India Private Limited, ground floor, building number H43, Advanced Business Hub, Phoenix Info City Private Limited. IT or ITES is Kachibowli village of Serlinga. And job highlights you can see here: must be flexible with the shifts, and experience should be 0 to 3 years. Openings only one opening, and the location is Hyderabad. Package is 2 to 3 lakhs per annum, and you should have the skills. You should have skill in machine learning, and good to have the skills like data services, artificial article writing, AI, artificial intelligence, communication skills. And what you will do, that you can do a contract. It is a contractual role, that is 12 months. Mode is on-site role, and years of experience 0 to 3 years. Shifts must be flexible. Education వచ్చేసి any graduates. And key job responsibilities you can see here, there is creative thinking, excellent written communication skills, and preferred experience in content blog or article writing. Work with a range of text, speech, and other types of data. Deliver high quality labeled data using guidelines provided to meet our KPIs, and using in-house tools and software. Report issues with the tools and software as and when they occur. Show ownership and initiate when providing feedback for improvements to existing tooling that can increase the amount and quality of the data we process. We believe every groundbreaking change starts with a small idea. These are the key job responsibilities. And basic qualification వచ్చేసి bachelor's degree, must be flexible with the shifts. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఎలిజిబిలిటీ క్రైటీరియా. మీకు ఒకవేళ మిషన్ లెర్నింగ్ మీద మంచి నాలెడ్జ్ ఉండి గ్రాడ్యుయేట్ అయ్యేది ఉంటే మీరు ఈజీగా డైరెక్ట్లీ వాకింగ్ చేయొచ్చు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.